Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can enable the future Hyper-V on Windows 11. First we need to go at search and we search here control panel. Once you see the app here control panel, you just click over it once and it will open. Make sure to view by category here and then you will see this function here which says programs. You just click over it once and then you click over programs and features. And then from the options on the left, you'll see this option here which says turn Windows features on or off. We click over it. Now we can see all the features of Windows 11 that we can disable or enable. In our case, it's going to be Hyper-V, and we scroll till we find Hyper-V and then we select it and then we click over OK. Another way how to come on this view where we can turn on or turn off Windows features is just by searching here Windows features and then it will show this option here, turn Windows features on or off. You click over it once and then you will come on this view. So after you selected Hyper-V or any feature that you want to enable, then you just click over OK and the installation of this feature will start. So now you just have to wait till the installation is done and you will be able then to use this feature. That's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video and please do not forget to subscribe. And I wish to you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope that next year is going to be the best for all of us. Thank you.